Welcome to another edition of Procore Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to look at Procore user signatures. Often when you're creating and responding items in Procore, you don't have the traditional email signature that you might be used to in Outlook. But we can recreate that in My Profile settings in your Procore account. Scroll down to the email signature section and enter the information. You have rich text editing here, so feel free to use it. Unfortunately, no image is available at this point in time. Let's save that and test it out on a couple of Procore items. Firstly, let's create a risk item in our correspondence tool. You will notice as soon as that item is created that the email signature that we built out in My Profile is automatically populated into the text. Some of the tools in Procore, such as the RFI tool, don't automatically pre-populate this email signature when you create or respond to items. We have a solution for that as well. Install Magical Text Expander for Chrome, Edge, and other browsers, and you can create your user signature with a quick shortcut on the keyboard. For this one, Sign At pre-populates, and we have that same email signature there as well. And of course, you can use this in lots of other places.